You tell them, Colonel. Now, fellas, let's show a little of that southern hospitality. What? First, I've heard of. We can discuss that subject later, son. Sorry, folks, for the delay. A good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Allow me to introduce myself. I am General Cornelius Fairfax, ranking officer in the Army of the Confederacy. Second in command, Colonel Stonewall J. Fox. Last and certainly least, Major Mosby Gray. We would not. I tried to, but it seems he won't let me. Yes, and this is the...
Ulysses S. Smith, you know.
Bad name, Ulysses. Sir, I am familiar with the Union Army, and I am also familiar with the rank of corporal. But I would say, my friend, are the Confederate Rock-afire. And we, my friends, have not forgotten the war. And we, my friends, have not forgotten our southern heritage and traditions. And we, my friends, are still the shadow. The sound shall rise again.
You want to stand up so you can see better?
The South will rise again, my friend. The South will rise again. Oh, we got the boss who fight, my friend. We got the boss who wins. We got the boss. We got the trees. And what are you doing in the South? Always seems when a Yank comes to visit, he usually ends up staying. Anyway, that's some fine cooking, boys. Well, then, yeah, get away. Woo! Woo! Put on and punch it down. You done found on my heart and brought that sucker flat. From my lovey-dovey sugar gal to a dirty, filthy rat. You were by my side just yesterday, I don't know where you're at. You done found on my heart and brought that sucker flat. And brought that sucker flat. And brought that sucker flat. Why, that's downright beautiful, boys. How about a little drink of my private stock? Made it myself. Why, sure, General, that's right. Generous of you, sir. Not me. Last time I drank that stuff, all my hair fell out. I look like Choo, Jack.